Come make this cherry blossom crochet hair clip with me. To make this flower crochet, I used 2 different colors of yarn, a scissor and a crochet needle. For the inside of the flower, I used a brown yarn and made a magic ring. I know as a beginner the magic ring is not easy, but once mastered, the rest of the flower crochet will be easier to manage. Make a half double crochet into the magic ring, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Afterwards, insert your crochet needle into the magic ring, hook all your yarn and pull through 2 loops. I repeated this process 4 more times, so I end up with 5 single crochets in the magic ring. Repeat this process 4 more times, so you will have 5 single crochets in the magic ring. Once I finished my single crochets, I took the loose end and I pulled on that string to make the magic ring tight. I closed off the magic ring by making a slip stitch into the first stitch of the magic ring. I put my hook through the first stitch, yarn over and pull through the yarn through 2 loops. I finished the first round by pulling out the loop and cutting off the thread. To make the flower petals, I start off taking my pink yarn and make a slip knot. I insert my hook into the slip knot and pull it tight. Then I insert my hook into a stitch of the magic ring to add my first flower petal. I chain my pink yarn onto my magic ring and I continue to chain 2 more so that I have 3 chains in total. I continue with an unfinished double crochet by yarning over and inserting my hook into the same stitch. I yarn over, pull through so that the loop reaches the same length as the chain. I pull it up. I yarn over, insert into the same stitch again, pull through and pull up. Yarn over, pull through, pull it up. Wiggle slightly to adjust. Repeat this process 2 more times. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through and pull up. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull it through again and pull it up. I end up with 11 loops on my hook. I pull through my hook through all 11 loops to make a chain. I chain 2 more, make a slip stitch into the next stitch of the magic ring to finish off my first petal. I continue to chain 2, yarn over and insert my hook into the same stitch, yarn over and pull it up to match the length of the loop to the chain. I yarn over, insert my hook into the same stitch and yarn over, pull it through and pull it up. I repeat this process 3 more times so that I will have 4 unfinished double crochets and 11 loops on my hook. My hook will pull through all 11 loops to make a chain, and I will chain 2 more and finish off the second petal with a slip stitch into the next stitch of my magic ring. I repeat this process 3 more times so that I will have 5 petals in total. Once I reach my 5th petal and my last one, I will loop through my hook through all 11 loops and make a chain. I will chain 2 more and end up my last petal with a slip stitch into the first petal, which is the first stitch of my magic ring. I cut off the yarn and pull out the loop, and I adjust the flower crochet by making the flower petals look bigger by pushing the back of each flower petal. Once I secured my flower crochet and cut off all loose threads, for the cherry blossom hair clip, I made 2 flower crochets and used 1 hair clip. I take the hair clip and place it on a thick fabric like felt. With scissors, I cut the felt around the hair clip. I take the cut-out felt and fold it in half. With my scissors, I cut 2 holes into the felt. I made sure the holes were big enough for the hair clip to fit through. I slide the felt onto the hair clip. The final part is to apply hot glue onto the back of the felt and to the hair clip to secure it. Apply hot glue on the top of each 2 sides from the felt to secure the cherry blossoms. And voila, the cherry blossom hair clip is done. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIYs.